Hello, hello! Today's episode will be pretty boring comparing to yesterday's one, because yesterday we were really active. We went to so many places, we show you so many things. So today was like I woke up, I started reading all the news, and it was like even the feeling that I don't want to film at all today. But first of all, for promise, and second for the history, it's actually really important to record every single day, just to later on to wind back a little bit and check what happened in that particular day. And today I would like to talk about what's going on in Bali. So basically to inform you, and then I will have some archive where I can just check what was going on at these days and to understand a little bit better. The first of all, it's lockdown again. Like in Sanur, there are armed guys standing on a beach together with the police and not allowing anyone to go on the beach. But here in Ahmed, since we are a fisherman village and fishermen have to go out on the beach, so the situation is a little bit different. Like for example, in Tulamben, Liberty Wreck. In Ahmed, the Gemeluk beach, which is also a really big tourism attraction place, so these places are closed. While for example Lipa beach is open, and I was talking with another instructors yesterday. When we came back, I met a couple of friends, and they said to Lipa beach you can go and do whatever you want because the beach is not touristic place. To be honest, this gradation is really strange, because all Bali is touristic, but because on a paper it's not touristic, it's a fisherman village or fisherman cooperative, so then you can go and do whatever you want. Like for example, Gemeluk you cannot snorkel, in Lipa beach you can go out, swim, snorkel, and also diving. Here at our beach, everything is as usually, nothing is different, everybody is active, like small cafes and restaurants are open. No one really cares. Dogs running, playing, everything goes as it usually is. When you come to the beach, it gives you some optimism. Gemeluk beach is object visata, so that means it's a tourist object and it's also closed. So in this place, no any activities, only fishermen boats can go out and in. That's it, nothing else. When I started recording this episode, I wasn't sure what's going on. Now when I've been out on the streets of Ahmed and talking to the people, so the situation is pretty clear. So the thing is that Indonesia government announced regions which have to be locked down, and in Bali it's more or less all the south, and another tourism attractions like Kintamani, particularly these places should be locked down. No any tourism activities, no cafes open, nothing. Now just imagine people who've been locked down from the rest of the world for more than a year and struggling, definitely financially struggling. Now when there was some local tourism movement started, and now there is another lockdown. What do you think what they do? They're trying to survive any possible ways. Yesterday was a really interesting situation. We went to one cafe. I will not say where it was at. Don't even ask me, because I don't remember. But the situation was that they gave us everything in a take-away boxes. So technically we are not eating at that place. They can still sell the food and coffee, but the people cannot stay in that place. Here in Ahmed, the situation is like Karangasem is not in that particular area which should be locked down. This all is initiative of the lockdown is an initiative of the local authorities, Karangasem authorities. So that's why they cannot tell anyone that you should close all the cafes. They can only prohibit any touristic activities in places which are under the tourism office control. Basically, Liberty, Gemelok, and that's it. Nothing else they can do about that. So that's why people in any place which is not in tourism area living normal lives. Like for example here in Ahmed Beach, everything happens. People are walking the beach, cafes are open, and it's official. It's not smuggling or doing anything. It's official. It's allowed to open the cafes. On Ahmed Beach, next to our place, there are also many cafes and all of them are open. So that's why at the moment there are many people who's from the south decided to come to Ahmed, just because simply they don't have to sit in their villas. They can simply swim, snorkel, do whatever. Gemelok is closed, no problem. We have hundreds other places where you can do snorkeling, diving, swimming. That's a big boat. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, hit that thumb up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.